Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Moomoo in Australia in 2025. Moomoo, the cutting-edge trading platform, has become increasingly popular among Aussie investors, and today we'll show you why. Getting started is easy. Step 1. Download the Moomoo app or visit their website. Step 2. Click Sign Up and enter your email and password. Step 3. Verify your email and complete your profile. Let's dive in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. The platform is divided into different sections including markets, watch lists, trades, and research tools. Let's explore these features. To start trading, you need to fund your account. Moomoo offers various methods including bank transfers, credit cards, and even PayPal. Check out their funding options and choose what works best for you. Moomoo provides a wide range of investment options, from individual stocks and ETFs to options trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the game, there's something here for everyone. Moomoo's powerful research tools allow you to access real-time market analysis, stock ratings, and insightful reports. Equip yourself with the right information to make informed trading decisions. Executing trades on Moomoo is seamless. Simply choose your stock, enter the quantity, and hit buy or sell. You'll receive instant confirmation and can monitor your investments easily. It's essential to understand the fees associated with trading on Moomoo. Most trades are commission-free, but be sure to check for any potential fees related to special features or services. Community engagement is a vital part of Moomoo. Participate in discussions, share insights, and learn from other investors to enhance your trading skills and strategies. To wrap up, remember to make the most of Moomoo by exploring all its features, staying informed with research tools, and engaging with the community. Happy trading in Australia!